news from the Pacific, apart from the Battle of Iwo Jima and new landings in the Philippines, has been chiefly of carrier-borne air blows at many points, from Indochina to Formosa and Japan itself. Targets are certainly not difficult to find. They range from Japanese ships at sea or in port to Jap-held airfields, harbours and river traffic. Crash landings on carriers are bound to happen from time to time. In this instance, the American pilot was knocked out, but I'm glad to say he wasn't badly hurt. China, Formosa and Japan itself have contained the chief targets for recent heavy bombings, and the fleets that take the planes within striking distance like bad weather. At least they like the cover that storm clouds give them as Admiral Halsey sweeps the China seas. Admiral, is the Imperial Palace in Tokyo one of your targets?
No, we only bomb military objectives, and the Imperial Palace is not a military objective. However, when you have to bomb through an overcast or an undercast, you're never certain where your bombs are going to land. I hope that if one of them by mistake should land in the Mikado's palace, that they don't get that white horse. I want to ride him.